Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today we're going to go through the assembly of the neutral posture XSM petite office chair. Make sure to identify all components. Firmly press the casters into the bottom of the base. Set the base on the ground and drop the cylinder in the center. Next, you're going to take your arm and align it onto the plastic glide tray. Then you're going to take the metal plate with the beveled side facing up and place it onto that mounting pin. Next, make sure that your metal piece inside your lever has the flat side facing up, and this is going to be placed on top of the mounting pin as well. Next, slightly tighten the nut on top of the mounting pin. Next, using a 10mm socket wrench, continue tightening the nut, but not completely because you'll need to test the tension of the lever. Lift the lever and continue to tighten it until proper tension is reached. If you tighten it too far, you will have to loosen the nut so that the lever can still move. Proper tension allows the arms to lock into position and adjust freely when unlocked. Repeat the process with the second arm. Once the arms are in place, be sure to remove the tape. Lift the seat and mechanism assembly and fit it onto the cylinder. Make sure that the mechanism is secure on the cylinder by sitting on the seat. Place the back post into the mechanism stub and tighten all bolts with an Allen wrench. And that is how you assemble the neutral posture XSM petite office chair. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.